Hello, today I'll be covering how to convert a Word document to a PDF document. And some of you may not know, but Windows 10 and Windows 11 has a built-in converter. So I will show you now. Stand by. File, Print, select the down arrow, and Microsoft Print to PDF. Select Print, and it will open up the PDF converter. So once that's open, you select where you want to save the document to. For me, I will choose a desktop, and I will call this Facts Cover Sheet. Now, one thing to remember, even though you have a Word document saved as the same name, Facts Cover Sheet, this is actually a different document. It's not a Word document, it's a PDF. So you can have both saved with the same name. So click on Save, minimize, and here you go. As an FYI, not only Word documents can be converted, actually any document. Once opened, you'll follow the same procedure, file print, and that will convert that document also.